Hi everyone, I'm Lily and today I am so excited to show you how to easily use your brand new Lashterally self-adhesive lash kit. Ready to boost your look? Let's dive in. So what exactly are self-adhesive lashes? Well, they come with a pre-glued, super soft clear band that sits invisibly just below your natural lashes, giving you a gorgeous, natural and effortless lash look in literally seconds. Inside each box, you'll find 90 to 120 lash clusters in different lengths, perfect for creating everything from a subtle daily look to a stunning evening style. There are 2 easy ways to apply your Lashterally clusters. Pick the one that suits you best. For full application, use 5 to 6 clusters per eye depending on your eye shape. You can go for a layered, full volume look or adjust the length for a cute cat eye effect. Longer on the outer corners, shorter inside. With the semi-full application, start with 2 to 3 clusters from the centre of your eye and gently work outward for a natural lift. Perfect for everyday wear or beginners. Preparation. Gently curl your natural lashes. Make sure your eyelids are clean and free of oil. Use a cotton swab if needed. Here's how to properly hold the tweezers. So why teach this? Because lots of people hold them incorrectly, which affects eyelash application. Holding the sharp tip downward? No. Holding too close to the head of the tweezers? No. Correct. Hold the tweezers with 3 fingers. Place the index finger and middle finger on one side and the thumb on the other. Hold the middle part of the tweezers with the tip facing your left side. How to pick up your lash clusters. Grabbing from the tip of the eyelash? No. Holding the tip of the tweezers downward? No. Clamping the small corner? No, it's easy to tear. Inserting from the middle of the eyelash? Absolutely not. Correct, the tweezer tip faces you, forming a small spoon shape. Bring the tips close to the lash root without touching the glue strip. Gently push up from the inside, clamp lightly, then lift the eyelash. After taking out the lash cluster, gently hold it with your index finger and thumb, flipping the tweezers. Turn the tip from pointing inward to outward so it forms a small spoon shape. Use the tip of the tweezer to clamp about 1/3 of the lash length. Keep this grip steady whilst applying the lash. Make sure the tweezer tips are clean and free of glue residue. If needed, wipe them down with alcohol or a little loose powder. How to apply your lash clusters. You can start from the outer corner and work inward or do it the other way around, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. I usually go from the outer corner to the inner. Gluing on the waterline of the upper eyelid? No. Sticking on top of natural lashes without reaching the roots? No. Correct. Place the lash cluster just below your natural lash line, about 1 millimeter away from your waterline. Gently press and hold for 3 seconds to seal. Gaps between lash clusters, uneven placement? No. Correct. The end of the first cluster and the start of the next should be very close, even slightly overlapping. Here are some tips for better application. Use the end of your tweezers or make fingers to gently press and adjust the clusters, making sure they're secure. And if you want to readjust, it's okay to reposition. Gently just pull the lash cluster down and reattach it. Removing lashes. When it's time to take off your lashes, just gently pull from the outer corner. They come off easily and won't hurt your natural lashes. How to keep your lashes reusable. Store your lashes in their original case. With proper care, you can reuse them 2 or 3 times or even more. And if you want to increase the adhesion of the glueless clusters, you can use a blow dryer on warm heat for about 10 seconds at the glue strip before applying. It'll stick even better. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. You'll be a lash pro in no time. For more styles and tips, visit lashterally.com.